Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel and I have prepared my file. And for instance, I'm going to add signature to this column. If we want to add signature, we can go to the insert menu right here. And then we're going to go to the illustration and select shapes. Okay, and select this one guys. You can select the scribble. Okay, just like so. And then you can draw your signature like this. Okay, now it's done. And you can customize the thickness, the outline as well, and it's up to you. And I'm just going to make the increase the thickness. I'm going to select the weight, okay, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now it's done, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add signature in Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.